Namaskar, Honorable Governor of Uttarakhand and Chancellor Sir, Honorable Minister Medical Education, Executive Director of AIIMS Rishikesh, members of Executive Council, Academic Council, Finance Committee, Examination Committee, Honorable Vice Chancellors of different universities, distinguished faculty members, officers, staff, esteemed guests, proud parents, and most importantly, graduating students, press and media. On behalf of the university, I heartily welcome Honorable Governor and Chancellor Sir and extend heartfelt gratitude for consenting to hold the convocation in the current academic session itself, which would have not been possible due to the administrative changes happened in the university a couple of months ago. I also welcome Honorable Minister of Medical Education, Uttarakhand Government, and Executive Director of AIIMS Rishikesh for accepting the request and gracing the convocation ceremony. With great pride and joy, I welcome you all to the 7th convocation ceremony of HNB Uttarakhand Medical Education University, Dehradun. Today is a historical day for the university in 3 aspects. Firstly, it is a celebration of the hard work, dedication, and perseverance of our graduating students, and also a moment for us as an institution to cherish our journey, achievements, and vision for the future. Secondly, it is for the first time the university's convocation ceremony is being held in its premises as per the directions of the Honorable Chancellor Sir. I am delighted to share that as a consequence to the requirements of holding this convocation in the university campus, the laying of the first layer of the approach road, main gate, signages, painting and refurbishment of the campus, etc. have been successfully completed in last 2 months. Thirdly, a Miyawaki forest has been inaugurated today in its premises, which will be a dense, biodiverse and fast-growing urban forest in due course of time with a plantation of around 8,000 plants. This has been carried using a method developed by Japanese botanist Akira Miyawaki, which involves densely planting native species to mimic natural forest ecosystem. Today, with the conferment of degrees upon our 2,418 bright graduates, postgraduates and doctoral scholars, university reaffirms its commitment to academic excellence, research innovation and social responsibility. Since its establishment in 2014, Hemwati Nandan Bahuguna Uttarakhand Medical Education University has remained steadfast in its mission to create an environment where knowledge, creativity and leadership drive and thrive. The responsibility of catering to the medical, nursing and paramedical education is being shouldered by the university successfully through its 5 government medical colleges, 2 private dental colleges, 9 government nursing colleges, 5 paramedical colleges, 60 private nursing colleges and 52 private paramedical colleges. The university is also offering 2 years masters in applied epidemiology in association with National Center for Disease Control, Government of India. The university has current student strength of 14,490 pursuing courses in all major specializations of medical, nursing and paramedical sciences. The growing number of students and institutions is a positive sign for this university. Academic excellence has always been the foundation of the university. Our faculty members continue to set high academic standards with numerous good publications in reputed journals, participation in conferences and collaborations with the leading medical institutions. I am confident that the university's initiatives for bringing in accountability and transparency in its processes will be transformed it into a sought-after destination for medical, nursing and paramedical education in due course of time. In last 1 year, the university conducted 2 meetings of the Executive Council, 2 meetings of Academic Council, 2 meetings of Finance Committee and 1 meeting of the Examination Committee. On academic front, some of the recent initiatives of the university include ensuring functionality of university website, making it more interactive and student-friendly, academic calendar for the present and forthcoming session, digital evaluation of mark sheet implemented with provision of showing the evaluated answer books. To ensure transparency of evaluation process and handling student grievances, re-evaluation system for answer books has been implemented. For creating awareness on cybersecurity among medical professionals, workshops are being conducted in different medical colleges. Maximum number of pass-out graduates are invited to attend the convocation physically by providing online convocation registration. The policy for award of different medals, gold, silver and bronze, has been set by the Academic Council. The monitoring of academic and examination activities in the affiliated institutions using digital systems is being planned for the forthcoming academic session. Our medical colleges have embraced technology-driven education, incorporating modern teaching methodologies such as virtual labs, simulation-based learning, and artificial intelligence-assisted tutoring. To ensure that our students and faculty have access to the best facilities, the state government is also committed to provide best infrastructure like smart classrooms, laboratories, and research centers to support innovative learning and experimentation, digital access to e-books, research journals, and international academic databases. In line with our commitment to sustainability, the university also introduced several green initiatives, including solar power installation, rainwater harvesting, and a comprehensive waste management system in certain affiliated institutions. Our students have made proud in different domains, from academics to sports, cultural, and social initiatives like organizing community service programs, including environmental drives, blood donation camps, and educational outreach initiatives. University firmly believes in holistic development, and our efforts to nurture well-rounded individuals are reflected in the success stories of our students. Bridging the gap between academia and professional challenges in medical practice, it is one of the key priorities. University is encouraging affiliated institutions to sign memorandum of understanding with leading health organizations, pharmaceutical industries, multinational corporations, and research organizations. Several of our alumni have also made significant contributions in their respective fields, emerging as medical professionals, entrepreneurs, and change makers. Their success stories continue to inspire our current and future students. As an institution of higher learning, we recognize our responsibility to contribute to the society. This year, we have undertaken several initiatives to promote community development, which include rural outreach programs, providing healthcare and educational support through community medicine department of medical colleges, environmental conservation projects, including setting up of the Miyawaki urban forest in the university campus, tree plantation, and clean energy initiatives, women empowerment programs aimed at skill development and entrepreneurship. One university, one research project, as per the directions of Honorable Chancellor, has been carried out on enhancing trauma care in government district hospitals of the Uttarakhand. Our students and faculty have been actively participating in various initiatives, reinforcing our values of empathy, inclusivity, and service to humanity. While we celebrate our past achievements, we remain focused on future. Our vision for the forthcoming years includes ensuring best quality in education system of the university through transparency and accountability, expanding global collaborations with top universities and research institutions, introducing new academic programs aligned with the demands of modern health needs of the society in the university campus itself, enhancing our digital infrastructure to provide an unparalleled learning experience, promoting sustainability initiatives to create an environmentally conscious campus, increase funding of research and innovation to encourage faculty and students to push the boundaries of knowledge. The university is committed to realize the excellence in medical, nursing, and paramedical education, research, and help the community through high social impact initiatives as well. Dear graduates, today marks the beginning of a new chapter in your lives. You have worked tirelessly to reach this milestone. And as you step into the world, remember that learning never stops. Uphold the values of integrity, perseverance, and excellence that you have imbibed during your time in the ecosystem of Hemavati Nandan Bahuguna Uttarakhand Medical Education University. As you embark on your professional journey, whether it is in patient care, academia, research, industry, entrepreneurship, or public service, I urge you to remain curious, innovative, and committed to making a difference in the society. Your success will be our greatest achievement, and we look forward to witnessing the positive impact you will create in this world. Congratulations to all of you once again, to the graduating class of 2024, May your journey ahead be filled with success, happiness and fulfillment. Thank you all for gracing this event. Jai Hind.